Hey dudes, Carl here. Zoomy, zoomy. Look, the cattle are taking a bath. Yeah, it's hot out here in Illinois. Cattle are, cattle are taking a bath. Hope I don't get hit.
You all right, buddy? Need some help?
No, I'm all good. Just taking a photo of the cattle.
Right on.
Yep, see you, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah, see, everybody's super helpful. Just wants to make sure everything's good. Look, we got hay for the horses and the cattle. Yep. 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 Anyway, check him out. Hey, he's taking a bath. Splish splash. Yep. Cooling down. Just hanging out, waiting to be on your table for dinner.